Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, as you can clearly see. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go from basic to baddie. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So throughout the video, I'm just gonna talk like here and there on what products I'm using, but for the most part, those parts that seem kind of like whatever, I'm not really gonna talk through the video. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing. But I just wanted to mention that for this baddie look, I'm gonna go back to using my ABH Dip Brow, and this is in chocolate. And these always give me really defined brows, and I also don't have to really do much. I just kind of outline the top and the bottom, and usually I'm set. So this is what I'm going to be using for my eyebrows today, because I do want them to be super defined, because baddie's eyebrows are super defined. Okay, so I personally feel like baddies don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, so my eyeshadow look is going to be very, very simple. I'm actually going to use this palette by MAC, and it is their Power Hungry palette, and it just has a bunch of really neutral shades, which is right up my alley, and as well as all the baddies on Instagram. So yeah, so I'm just going to use this palette. I'm probably going to take a little bit of, let me see this thing here, of Bling Mistress and Something's Fishy, which is this matte shade right here is Bling Mistress, and then this caramel golden shimmery shade is Something's Fishy. So I'm just gonna take a mixture of both those shadows and create a very, very simple eyeshadow look. And yeah. Okay, so I feel like that's enough eyeshadow. It's probably a little bit more than what I see a lot of the baddie makeup looks have, but it's all good. I'm actually gonna just highlight my brow bone, and to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna use this shade, Totally Obsessed, which is this matte shade right here. Also, keep in mind that for the baddie look, a lot of people don't even use shimmers, but I just wanted to use shimmers. Okay, so that is all for the eyes as far as shadow goes. And now moving on to one of the more important parts of that baddie look is eyeliner. So for eyeliner today, I'm gonna be doing a winged liner. I feel like that is a huge plus, a huge like definite for the baddie look. So it's necessary. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris Flash Cat Eye by Infallible, and it is this liner right here. L'Oreal actually sent this to me a couple of months ago actually, and what I really love about this liner is that it has a little template here. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can definitely see that, and this helps you create the perfect wing. I'm not going to use this template because I feel like I've just been doing wing liner for so long that I don't really need it right now, and I feel like this would actually mess me up more than help me right now. So this is the liner that I'm going to be using, and this is in the shade Black. Okay, so that liner just helped me create the best winged liner I've had in a while. I'm not even gonna lie. I forgot how bomb it is. I used it, I think, just once. This is my second time using it. But for a baddie look, you definitely want to make sure you have a really sharp winged liner and really kind of like thick, which I don't tend to do. I tend to do like a really small liner. Lashes are definitely a must for that baddie look. So I'm going to prep my lashes with the IT Cosmetics Blowout Lash Blowout Mascara, and it looks like this. And okay, so I've already applied my mascara, as you guys seen, and I actually decided to switch out my lashes and use the style in Jasmine because these are a lot more in your face than these ones. And if we're going for that baddie look, I might as well go all out. I think the key to really mastering the baddie look is that you just take your time with each step. It's very simple, but it's very precise. So just take your time with each step and you'll get it. So now I'm just gonna apply these lashes and we'll keep it moving. So one of the really important steps to a baddie look is highlighter. So to make my highlight stand out crazy, I actually went ahead and put some setting spray, and I usually do that anyway because once you put your setting spray, it's going to set all the powders and kind of help your highlighter stick to it afterwards. But today I'm going to do something a little bit different to make it pop even more. I'm going to use my Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick, and this is in Gilded Honey. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you'll know that Gilded Honey, the actual powder illuminator, is like one of my favorite highlighters of all time. So I'm gonna use the stick, and mine is, it looks like this, but inside mine actually like broke, so it's like leaning over to the side. I had this for quite some time actually. So I'm just gonna take a little bit with my finger and apply that on the highest points of my cheeks. I love using this in the summertime, or even when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, to just give me like the natural glow, and that's what cream highlighters tend to do anyway, so I really like that. Okay, so that's just gonna help my powder highlighter stick a lot better, and to get that ultimate glow, I'm going to use my Artist Couture illuminating, I'm gonna use my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, and this gives me a crazy glow. I will say that I don't feel like, when I've used this in the past, I don't feel like it really lasted all day, but with applying like the cream illuminator, the cream highlighter is definitely gonna help it stick. So I'm gonna apply this right on top. Like that already gave it a crazy glow. And to start off, I'm just gonna pat it on top to kind of set that cream highlight, and then I'm gonna start brushing it on there, smoothing it in. It's okay if you get a little bit crazy with your highlight. My rule to makeup is usually like, go for it and then try to fix it after if you do mess up. You can go a little bit overboard with anything, but just always remember it's art, so you can always fix it and add whatever. I'm gonna show you how crazy this highlight is. Ready? So that's when you know your highlight is bomb, especially when you can see it in low light. It's bomb, you're set. So now I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and just press that in and kind of set all over my face with the beauty sponge as well. The last but yet most important part of this baddie look is the lips. So I feel like for that look, you definitely want to use like a really nude lip. So that's what I'm going to do, and I am going to apply some gloss. Some baddies use just a matte lip, some use gloss, so you decide whatever you want to do. I personally like some gloss, especially in the center of my lips, so I'm gonna use some gloss. So to line my lips, I'm using my favorite. I know you guys are sick and tired of hearing this, but it's just really so good. It's a Carly Bible and Il Maquillage lip liner in Luna. And then I'm gonna apply this lipstick by Renegade Cosmetics, and it is in Bad to the Bone. And then I'm gonna apply the Carly Bible Il Maquillage lip gloss in Twilight. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my lips. I did go ahead and overline my lips just a little bit, not that much, but I felt like that's definitely necessary to get that look. So I'm gonna go and fix my hair up, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and this is my final look. I just refreshed my curls, added some bomb jewelry or whatever, and some hoops, because you know hoops are everything. And this is my final look. So I even put on my favorite press-ons. These are the ones with the butterflies and the polka dots and the pastel type of colors to match my shirt. And these are from Onyx Nail Design. You guys know I mentioned them before. These are my favorite type of press-ons because they're so bomb. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and I'll get them to you. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!